All right, so we just got the crane out. Dawson's in town.
Hey, what's up?
So we're gonna pull the engine, but first we have to put the diff back on and we have to pull this off the gravel. So once we get the diff on, then we can get the engine out. We gotta get it onto the driveway because obviously if we put the hoist there, we're not gonna be able to get it to move. So yeah, diff shouldn't take too long. We gotta do that first. In theory.
In theory.
But with us, it takes 5 years. So I put the diff back on, as you guys just saw, and we got these wheels that the guy gave us. They're just like 30s, like kind of garbage wheels, but just for rollers, I guess. He gave us those in the deal in the back of the bed. So we just threw them on, and then now we're moving up to we're gonna roll it out onto the driveway now. We're also gonna take these two wheels and put the other ones on. We'll do that after. Like my rad sport. Piece of wood. Dude, you could still rip this thing, bro.
Probably.
Take her off road. Invite Luke over and mess around with the engine crane. Does nothing productive.
Dude!
What? What are you doing? This guy, man. I'm on the concrete, dude. Oh my god. I'm taking off the drive shaft. We got all the fluids drained. Rad's off. A lot of stuff's taken off now. It's almost ready, but we gotta pull it onto the driveway.
The old exhaust off. The old Ford.
Oh my gosh, look at this guy. Alright, exhaust is off. We just gotta get the T-case off now. We got the two lines from the trans cooler. Exhaust is off, drive shaft's off. The lot is disconnected. We still we got a few little things, but we gotta move it first for the steering to come off. We gotta steer it out to the driveway.
Almost there, boys.
Yeah, almost there. What is this guy doing?
Transmission fluid.
Dude, what are you doing? Like, why do you feel this urge to touch everything on
I'm
the
not
truck?
doing anything. I'm just exploring, bro. So this
Dude.
is transmission fluid pump. Yeah?
Dude, tell me you're not serious right now.
I'm joking. It's the fully tensioner.
Dude, this guy's he actually has no clue, dude. Why is my bag in the air? Like, oh my
Okay, what is it then? That's tranny fluid.
That's power steering.
Oh.
Oh my god, no. Dude, you're on camera with that, bro.
That's on camera. That's
Oh,
going
yeah.
in the vid.
That's
Sorry.
a shorts right there. That's an idiot shorts. Going viral.
Going viral.
Where does this one go?
You're gonna just look back at this and like, wow, I couldn't have done this without these.
What?
Back after this all done, you're like, dude, thank goodness we can't help you.
You're pissing me off.
No, it's done.
I'll kill you.
You going home?
I'm scared of you right now.
You're
You're gonna take me in the bush.
The whole span even here. All you done is put miles on the engine. Go slow. Slow, but you got like 3 feet. Keep going. You're gonna get over that lip. You're good. You got like 1.5 feet. Good. Keep going. Nothing good, right? Keep going. Right hand. Have a little bit. Keep going. Yeah. Go on. Luke. Fuck off, bro.
Everything.
Your e-brake stuck.
Your e-brake stuck.
Luke, come help us.
Can you fucking
Look,
touch the brake?
shit all over the ground.
Huh? Okay, try pushing it. Fuck it now.
You get this done.
Dude, he literally got the e-brake lock. Dude, like, can you not touch the brakes, bro? All right, we pulled the F-150 out. So now we can get the T-case out. We're still working on that. We're just gonna put the jack under it. We got some bolts out, drop it down, pull it back. Then we can actually unmount it from the frame and pull it out. That's where we're at. It's been taking a long time with all the different things to unhook from the frame. Bro, you know you're allowed to use your eyeballs, right? Guy doesn't even look, he just says it's out. It's like, bro, it's in my hand. This is a washer that's... There you go. See?
It was legit a water.
Bubba knows, dude. Bubba's all knowing.
Okay, can you do that to that side too? I think that's like
Easy.
Alright. Yeah, okay, we got it.
It gets an inch out. Looks like, yeah, we got it.
No, but
this is the hardest part. There we go.
Oh, yeah.
Drop it at the, just really like lightly, like a quick twist.
No more.
It's lifting the whole body.
Yeah, because it's on that.
Yeah, we have all. Keep going. Yeah, we were hooked on like a, we were hooked. Our valve cover was on the bolt, like pulling the body up.
Yeah.
No way. Engine removed.
We just got the engine out. It's been a long day.
It's been longer than anticipated, but
Like always.
that's a given.
Yeah. This guy literally talks about working out all the time. He can't even move an engine by himself. My car. Dude, look. Oh. Dude, no, you're gonna snap the bolts off. Yo, can you laugh? I swear, if this falls on the ground, Luke is buying me a 351M with his C6 transmission. Okay? It's on camera. We also have you on camera saying power steering's transmission fluid. So,
Oh, shit.
what he's doing, bro. So as you guys saw, engine's in my truck still. It's actually a few days later. It's still in the back of my truck. My dad just pulled out of the driveway. We're taking the crane back so we can get the engine out of my truck. But the F-150 at this point is ready to be sold. We're gonna cruise home, guys, and we're gonna take the engine out of the bed of my truck. I'm in my girlfriend's car because my truck still has the engine in it 2 days later. So we're going there to hoist it out. And I'll see you guys at home. So here's the engine, guys, out on the ground. I just started cleaning up the valve covers, cleaned up these spark plug wires. It looks like there's a lot of new stuff on here, which is really good to see. I got a new water pump. It's over there in a box. As you can see, I cleaned up this one. These aren't clean yet, but I'm just tidying it up, cleaning it up. See how dirty it is there. And we're gonna clean up the frame right now so we can roll it into the shop and paint it and then drop this in.